小花猫垂下耳朵，趴在地上假装生病。灰老鼠放下戒心，大摇大摆走出洞口。可它刚走到近前，小猫骤然睁眼扑来，灰老鼠吓出一身冷汗，盼尽全力逃回洞里。The little tabby cat drooped its ears and lay on the ground pretending to be sick. The grim mouse pulled down his guard and swaggered out of the hole. But as soon as it came closer, the kitten suddenly opened its eyes and rushed towards it. The grim mouse broke out in a cold sweat and tried his best to escape back to the hole.